In Africa, nature writes the itinerary. APT's journeys through southern and East Africa blend adventure with elegant comfort. From luxury lodges in the heart of the savannah to private game drives at dawn and dusk. Stand in awe before the thunder of Victoria Falls. Soar above the plains in a hot air balloon and meet local communities whose stories will stay with you long after you return. This is Africa, raw, regal, and unforgettable. Japan is a land of layers. Ancient and futuristic, refined and raw. APT's journeys reveal both sides, from tranquil moments in Zen gardens and historic ryokans to vibrant nights in neon-lit cities. Travel effortlessly on the sleek Shinkansen and discover the art of tea, the precision of Kaseki dining, and the quiet power of tradition. Our expert guides unlock experiences few ever access, like hands-on sushi making with skilled chefs, or intimate calligraphy workshops. This is Japan, precise, poetic, and profoundly moving. In South America, every journey feels like a revelation. APT takes you from the heights of Machu Picchu to the depths of the Amazon, with 5-star comfort every step of the way. Explore colonial cities, glide through jungle waterways, and stand in awe before the roaring power of Ugazu Falls. And for those drawn to the ends of the earth, our adventure extends south, far south, to the icy wonder of Antarctica. Sail aboard a purpose-built expedition vessel past sculpted icebergs and penguin-filled shores, where the air is pure and the silence profound. Whether it's dining in a vineyard beneath the Andes, dancing the tango in Buenos Aires, or stepping foot on the White Continent, these are journeys that ignite the senses and stir the soul. Wherever you go next, go deeper, go thoughtfully, go with APT.